Kukiverse. Hi friends, I am Kuki and welcome to Kuki's yoga class. Today we will stretch, bend, wiggle and have lots of fun. So are you ready to learn yoga with me? Yay! So let's begin. Our first pose is Vrikshasana, also called tree pose. It's time to stand tall like a tree. Can you put one foot on your leg like this? Now grow your branches up and up and up. Don't wobble. Oops, I'm a dancing tree. Our next pose is Marjaryasana Bithilasana, also known as the cat-cow pose. It's time to get on your hands and knees. First, let's be a cat. Arch your back and say meow. Now drop your tummy and be a cow. Moo. Let's do it again. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. Our next pose is Adho Mukha Svanasana, also known as the downward dog pose. It's time to be a good doggy now. So put your hands down, feet down and bum up. I think I can see my toes from here. Haha! Woo woo! Woo woo! Our next pose is the butterfly pose, also called Baddha Konasana. It's time to sit down and bring your feet together like this. Now flap your knees like a butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap. Where are we flying? Out in the garden maybe? Who knows? Keep flying. Our next pose is Sinhasana, also called the lion pose. It's time to kneel down. Put your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in. Stick your tongue out and roar like a lion. Again, louder this time. Once more. Our next pose and last pose for today is Shavasana, also known as the relaxation pose. Now lie down like a sleepy potato. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly along with me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. I can hear someone snoring. I think it's time to go home and get some rest now. Bye bye. Yoga class is over. So today we did the tree cow pose, the downward dog pose, the butterfly pose, the lion pose, and the sleepy potato pose. So it's time to put your hands together now and say Namaste. See you soon again. Bye. Check out our books on our website and subscribe to our channel.